Hi students, how are you? Hope you are fine and safe at your home. Do you know me? Who I am? Yes, I am your new maths teacher named Ashwati. Prabhita madam completed block 3. So, we can start from block 4. Okay, let's start. So, do you like gardening? Yes, I love gardening just like you. So, I made a big garden in my home. There are lot of flowers. There is two type of flowers. In my garden, there is two type of flowers. Which are that? Jasmine and roses. Which are that flowers? Jasmine and roses. Okay. Then I want to count each type of flowers. I don't know how many flowers are there in roses and jasmines. But I know the total number of flowers. I know the total number of flowers. So, in my garden, there is total number of flowers. There is 4,975 flowers are there. How many flowers total? 4,975 flowers. I know that. And there is 2,442 jasmine flowers. How many jasmine flowers are there? 2,442. Yes, number of jasmine flowers. How much? 2,442 jasmine flowers are there. So, how can we find the number of roses? Yes, we find the number of roses. So, we subtract the number of jasmine from total number of flowers. How can we get? Yes, we subtract the number of jasmines from the total number of flowers. So, we can start. So, we got number of roses. Okay. So, we can start. How much total flowers? Yes, 4,975. Then, how much jasmine flowers are there? 2,442. So, we can write below this number. Yes. So, these two numbers we got. Now, we can write this into expanded form. Okay. Now, we can write this into expanded form. How can we write expanded form? You studied this in previous class. Yes, you know that. So, we can convert this into expanded form. 4,000 plus 900 then plus 70 plus 5. So, the next number is 2,442. So, we convert into expanded form. 2,000 plus 400 plus 40 plus 2. Now we can subtract these numbers. You listen first, this write in orderly according to place values. Okay. Then which numbers we subtract firstly? Yes. First we subtract digit from ones place. Digit from ones place. Which digit from ones place? 5 and 2. So first we subtract 2 from 5. We got answer is? Which is the answer? Yes, 5 subtract from 2 subtract from 5. 1, 2. Remaining numbers are 3. So we got 3. Then next we subtract from 40 from 70. Okay. Then we can do it easily. The both numbers tens digits are 0. So we can write 0 here and subtract 4 from 7. Answer is 7 minus 4 is 3. Then we subtract next 100 place. Which are the numbers from 100 place? 900 and 400. 900 minus 400. So we can write 00 here and subtract 4 from 9. Which is the answer? 5. We got 500. And here 1000 place 4000 minus 2000. Okay. So we can write 000 here. 2 subtract from 4. Okay. So we got 2000. This is the answer. So we can write here in answer how many ones are there? 3 ones. Is it? So we can write in ones place 3. How many tens are here? 3 tens. 3 tens are here. So we can write here tens place below the tens place. Answer is 3. 3 tens. And how many hundreds are here? 5 hundreds. Yes. So we can write here 5. And how many thousands are here? Yes. 2 thousands. So we can write here 2. The answer is 2533. Okay. Do you understand this? Can you do another one question? Okay, I will give you. Now we start subtract using expanded form. Subtracting using the expanded form. So I will give another question. Can you subtract 7849 minus 4325? Can you do it? Okay, now you listen me. First we write this in to expanded form. 7849 write into expanded form. 7000 plus how many hundreds? Yes, 800 plus how many tens? 4 tens. And how many ones are there? 9 ones. Then which is the next number? 4325. So we write into expanded form. 4325. Write into expand. How many thousands? How many thousands are here? Yes, 4000. 4000. 300. 20 plus 5. Okay, now we can start subtracting. First we start subtracting from ones digit. Okay, which is the number of ones digit? 9 and 5. So we got 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got answer is 4. Okay. Then we subtract 20 from 40. 20 from 40. Okay. Which is the answer? First we write 0 here and subtract 2 from 4. 4 minus 2. Answer is 2. So we got 20 here. And next 100 place. Write 2 zeros here and subtract 3 from 8. We got 5. Okay. Then we can write 000 here and subtract 4 from 7. We got 3. So answer is 3524. We got answer 3524. Okay. 3524. We got answer. Now you can do like these questions. Okay. Now I give you another 2 numbers. Can you subtract this in mentally? Try it. Okay. Note this number. Okay. How can find this answer quickly? Can you got answer? How can get? Yes. Now you listen here. How I explain how can you got this in easily. Okay. Here 2 numbers end with zeros. Both numbers are ends with zeros. So we have zeros in ones and tens place. Ones and tens place. Now we find out the digit of 1000 and 100 place. Now we can do this mentally. 36 minus 28. Which is the answer? 28 after number 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. How much we got? Yes, 8. We got 8. So we write here 8. We find out this number without pen and pencil. We can subtract this mentally. Okay. These numbers end with zeros. So we know this is the number of multiplies 100. This is the multiplies of 100. So since we have zeros in ones and tens digits. Okay. Then now we can subtract 36 minus 28. We can do it mentally. Okay. Okay, I will give you another question. (5,600) minus 5,000. Quickly, you can find the answer. Do you get it? Yes. Okay. Now I will explain one more. These both numbers end with zeros. End with zeros. Zeros in ones place and tens place. Already we find it. Then we find numbers from tens, hundreds and thousand place. 56 minus 50 is equal to, we find it easily. 56 minus 50. Answer is 6. So we can write 6 here. So answer is 600. Okay. Do you know that? Do you understand it? Okay, okay. So now I will give you some homeworks. Can you do this? Try it. First one, 6,495 minus 3,352. Okay. Then next question. This question you do in mentally. Okay. How can we do this? Yes. 6,000 minus 4,000. Can you do this easily? Okay. You do it and send the answer to me. Study well at your home, and if you have any doubts, you can contact me. Okay, thank you.